I just thought to make a quick video showing whoever wants to see a cool feature in the dashboard. So if you go to etducky.com and sign in, if you only have one workspace assigned to you, it'll redirect you to your workspace. Workspaces can be configured here in the settings page. You can customize it. If you're a subscribed user, then whatever you set as your customization will stick forever. If you just let your trial lapse and you don't become a subscribed user, you no longer get a claim, and you still have a custom workspace, but it reverts to a randomized digit and letter combination. Anyway, what I was gonna make the video for is this. In the agents page, you can see anomalies, which would be like inflections and metric stats. So you'll see them here. I'll just pick one, like CPU went from 0.23 on this virtual machine that I've got all the way up to 76% here. That's obviously an inflection. So you can act them or you can analyze them, and around any inflection point, the critical ones especially, event trace logs will be collected, and you can look at the root cause by analyzing them, and you can also set up alerts around these. So right now I analyze that one, and I can see Windows Defender and anti-malware scan. Looked at the mycmd run here. That's a spike, and then it gives you some recommendations for commands you can run to further investigate that and potentially remediate it if it's something that you need to prevent from happening in the future. That's it.